Welcome back, peoples. Last time you saw me, I was collecting spice plants that make you go insane if you eat too many. And I got a bug into Rajan's office so we could actually listen in on his conversations and whatnot. Now I'm gonna go get the other last 2 spice plants that I need. Slippy slide it. How does Toby do the woo thing? It's not like that, it's like woo! Almost. It's a little lower than that. I almost had that. Haha, you're dead. Oh no, but you called in on your friends. Where are you, friends? Oh, you want to play. You want to play rough. Oh. You didn't actually do anything, but I'm gonna kill you anyway. More friends? Aha! Idiot. All of you look the same. You're dead. What? What? More? How'd you jump way up there? It's a huge jump. You dead. Haha. You all failed. You're all fired. Permanently. Conveniently, this elephant's standing there. Up here so I can get this spice plant. Mine. Hoya! Woo! I need to go lower than that. My voice isn't deep enough. Oh well, it's close enough for me. I'm not gonna do it anymore. It's fun to do it, but it hurts my throat. Oh, what's next? Next spice plant. There it is, way down there. I can get it. Ninja attack. You're dead. Total pwnage. Oh yeah. Gimme.
Why, now take all the spice plants you collected to the elephant's feed basket.
Okay, Bentley. I will do that. Whatever you say. Bottle floating in the air. Oh, never mind. It's not floating. Looked like it from there. Another bottle. Gimme. Oh, he heard that. I'm dead. Haha, idiot. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? I'm hiding. You can't get me now. And he... Ah! How'd you do that? How'd you do that? I'm dead. You know what? You're dead now. Oh, and you got a friend. Monkey. I'm dead. Oh, you got more friends. I'm gonna take you all on. Ah, I'm squished. You tackled me. Oh, you're both dead at the same time. Any more of you guys? Huh? No, I guess not. Where's the elephant's feed spice bucket? Bag. There it is. Chow down.
Sayonara, satellite array.
Yes, I can see it exploding. Finally, I'm free. Aww. Yeah, I wanted to see that satellite get exploded. Next plan.
I've got some bad news.
Intro.
Rajan has gone into hiding somewhere in the temple.
Question mark.
I guess the destruction of his satellite array and my invasion of his personal space to get the blueprints.
Hey, you with the camera. Get over here.
In his portion of the Clockwork Heart, we'll need to drive him out into the open. Give him
Oh, hi there, person with camera that I've never seen before in my life. Get out of my face.
We'll destroy the center of his operation, the spice grinder. Then we'll demolish the dam above the temple in an attempt to flood it.
Looked like a jellyfish, Bentley.
I've made arrangements to exchange one of the temple's facade rubies for some high explosives, which, if necessary,
Ooh, yes,
we
explosives.
could use to flood the whole temple grotto.
Oh, my bone!
How
random peoples. I don't know where that came from. Look at his face. Yeah. Hey, cameraman. I like you. Next job. Anything from Murray to do? I want to be Murray. Oh, come on. Bentley. Oh, yeah. Bentley time. Hacha. Run with your tiny legs, Bentley. Hacha, hacha. Inhale that. Oh, no. Haha. You both failed. Now you're dead. And I steal your money. Huh? Ah.
Rajan's holed up at his temple. Got any ideas to force him out of hiding?
My research indicates that tigers have an aversion to water. By destroying that dam, the temple will be filled with a runoff.
Flooding him out, huh? Good plan. But I don't think your bombs are strong enough to do the job.
You're correct. Fortunately, while monitoring the bug in Rajan's office, I overheard that a new autopilot attack helicopter had just arrived and sitting inside this truck.
Stay sharp. That dam is sure to be well protected.
I get to ride a chopper. And shoot some stuff. Move, Bentley, you're dead. Oh. I guess he's invincible now. Oh, how'd you get up there so fast? Get out of my face, choppers. I'm just gonna shoot the dam. No. You guys are terrible shots. Keep your heat-seeking missiles away from me. And get away from me. Keep your missiles away from my body. You're in my personal space. Ow. My body. No. No. I'm just shooting the dam constantly. I command you to explode. You failed. You're heat-seeking. I'm dead. Oh, no. I'm dead. My health is low. I gotta kill this dam fast. One more time. Yes.
Shoot, Bentley. Hope Rajan knows how to swim.
It's going down.
Uh-oh. Ow. My face. Bentley's like, ow, my body. Ow. Next. We got a minute left. Or less. I'm gonna spend this time killing stuff. Oh no. I don't want to fall down there. You're dead. No. How'd you live? You're dead. Give me your money. You're dead. You know what? I'm gonna head back to the safe house and see if I can buy anything that's useful. Oh no. I'm gonna run. I'm running away now. Get out of my face. I'm running away. They're all, how many are there? 3, 2, 1, 0. I'm going up here. Anything I can sell? 3 things. Well, there's nothing new. Okay. I'm gonna pause it. See you next time, peoples. This video has been brought to you by Farkle Revenge 5. I got it out of order again. Yowza.